Yeah, this is a candid one. We are snowed in. We tried to drive out of the driveway and got about 10 feet, and there's no way we're making it. Oh shit. I'm gonna try to make a snow shovel with this piece from my Prius camper that usually is a little lid and a walking stick, as well as my tool set that I travel with. And yeah, hopefully we can get a snow shovel made to dig ourselves out so that we're not completely trapped. And we've got a flight to make on Thursday and a rental car booked and 2 Airbnb nights booked, and yeah, we'll see. But hey, the best place to be trapped during a snowstorm is a beautiful Earthship, right?
All right, let's take a look outside. Oh yeah, wow, it's blowing out there too. Snow's going horizontal, if you can't see it.
Where did I put? Hold on.
Boy Scouts are always prepared, but gurus misplace things. Okay, we're rolling, he's back.
Yeah, so I guess this fell in the snow outside, and the only reason I could see it is because this red line was sticking up. If I probably waited a few minutes longer, I don't think I would have found it.
And we're out of here.
Yep.
Let's go.
Trying the makeshift shovel. Just set up the time lapse, because I'm gonna have to dig through all this first.
Alrighty, so back to the drawing board, it broke?
Yeah, it broke.
Okay, so we're gonna take a commercial break.
No, we're gonna make another.
We'll make another one.
Yeah, I'm gonna make another
But
one.
we're gonna take a commercial break before you start.
Yeah. Well, you know what they say, third time's the charm. Tried it twice, and the second shovel broke right where I drilled through to put the bolt. So yeah, that's that. I got pretty far, but it still broke. And you know, now it's a nice cane instead of a long walking stick. Anyways, it's too short to use, so I am gonna find something else. Hopefully. Okay, well, I think I found the right thing. This is, if you've never had a skylight, these are just long dowels with a hook on the end. So we're gonna take the hook off of this, and we're gonna use this dowel as the new and improved handle for our makeshift shovel for Earthship Snowed In Apocalypse. Stay tuned. So third time is the charm, wish me luck. And I'm going to do a little time lapse of making this and another time lapse of me shoveling for probably another hour and getting super sweaty and coming back in. Lucky number 3. Wow. Blam. Oh my god. Shoveled a line over to the road, which I've now discovered is not going to be plowed, so I am basically fighting sunlight here. It looks more like I'm holding up a sign that says help. But yeah, I got a lot of shoveling ahead of me. What else can I say? I'm sweaty, but hey, it's a good workout, so I'm not complaining. I don't know if you can see it. But it's the end of the day, and I shoveled this entire driveway. Oh my God, it took so long. I made it to the road. Hopefully tomorrow we can get the car out. It snowed and filled in the driveway that I dug out overnight anyway. So luckily we had a friend who came and dug us out, which means we are going to be able to head out of here and catch our flight. All right, we got to go.
From the older guru to the younger guru. See you later.
This wouldn't be a proper video if I didn't give you a tour of the Earthship that I stayed in and told you a little bit about what I know, and particularly what I know about this historic building that I'm very excited to have spent a night in.